Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So I've been using a Suzuki Burgman for almost 2 years now, and I've been in the market for a comfortable and good backrest for a few months now. I've searched multiple shops, but I've not got anything that would suit my need, and most of the shops don't even really have this backrest. Fortunately, this time around, I found one shop in Dahisar area of Mumbai that has these backrests and can fit it for you. And I found them on Google Maps, and I'll link the location in the description section. Total cost of the backrest was around $1,000, which includes labor charges. This is the shop that I got my backrest from, and they did it within a few minutes, so it didn't quite take like a long time. But is the backrest really useful? How does it look? Well, let's go ahead and see. So this is the final look of the Suzuki Burgman 125 with this particular version of backrest. Now I've seen multiple YouTube videos with various different iterations and versions. This one is something that did suit my need, and that's why I went for this particular one. I've seen a few others, but not really comfortable and too low, so it didn't really quite serve its purpose. So it cost me $1,000 just to get this installed. My next modification that I'll be doing is increasing the tire size. The ones that you get, all the old Bergmans that you get are of a 10-inch wheels, but the new version is now out, which is the EX version that come with 12-inch wheels. So if you look at any Suzuki Burgman pros and cons video, the wheel is always on the list because it is far too small for this bulky body. But 12-inch alloy wheel will make it look far more better than a 10-inch alloy wheel. So that will definitely be my next modification.